Hi, Akron After School kids. Welcome back to Science Experiments with Miss Myers. We are currently outside because today is going to be a messy experiment. And we do not, copy or repeat with me, do not want to do it inside. You also want to make sure that you do it in an area where you have plenty of space. Do not do it by cars or your house. This is going to get messy, and you do not know how messy it's going to get. So, our science experiment today, we are going to think about a hypothesis. And our hypothesis is going to be on the materials that I show you. Are you ready? We have a Coca-Cola Zero, and some Mentos. What do you think is going to happen? Those are some great ideas. Also, let's think about this. Here's a thought. Would it explode faster if it has sugar or no sugar? Those are some great ideas. Keep those in your head and let's see if they work. Are you ready? We're going to open our bottles. Okay, just like that. Now we're going to open our Mentos, and I'm going to take a step back. I do not want to get messy. Okay, so we're going to take 2 Mentos, 1 for each. I'm going to put it in there. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let's see. Oh, the Coke Zero definitely had a bigger explosion, and it's still continuing. And it's such a bigger way than Coke. Alright, I want you to let me know how you enjoyed this experiment, and if you tried it at home. If you did, send me a picture of how it lasted and how it did. Let me know on Padlet. Thank you. Bye, guys. Have a great day.